Hi everyone, Ron Patel here from Station Square Dental. Hope everyone's keeping safe during this coronavirus pandemic. We're finding that there are a few people who are now obviously starting to get put under self-isolation or just not able to come out and about. Unfortunately as well, we're finding that toothache doesn't wait for a convenient time for people. So what we have started doing to help our patients and anyone that needs our help, so you don't have to be one of our patients, we've started to look at doing a Zoom video consult for anyone who needs our help and advice. And the best way of getting onto one of those, if you need our help, best way of booking is a video conference appointment, shall we call it, is to contact the practice on 03 9568 8911 or through the messaging service on our website, and we will get back in touch with you and we can organise an appointment and go from there, really. Well, I hope that helps, and look after yourselves, stay safe, and chat to you soon. Take care.